Welcome to this study sheet on intermittent auscultation. There's been concerns raised that midwives are starting to feel less confident or competent in intermittent auscultation. However, it's an essential midwifery skill. We need to be able to use pinards, we need to be able to use Dopplers. We also need to understand the methods and the skills involved and what we're actually looking for when we are auscultating in a low-risk normal labour. So this study sheet will help you start to develop those skills if it's something that's quite new to you, or perhaps you're returning to practice, or you've been working in a very highly medicalised environment and perhaps you've lost touch with your intermittent auscultation skills. But even for those working in a highly medicalised environment, what I can say is that best practice is to use a pinard prior to starting the CTG to confirm it is actually the fetal heart rate that we're listening to. So regardless of where you are, where you're working, this study sheet should still help you with these skills. Thanks.